guys, here with the Invasions Carpet Cleaning and Repair. Here we have a burn. This repair is about 5 inches. About 5 by 5. Not a big repair. You will need a glue gun, a seam roller, sometimes a spatula, a sharp knife with a brand new blade to get the best cut, and carpet scissors to trim out your carpet. The first thing you gotta do is grab your knife with a brand new blade, have some extra carpet that matches perfectly with the area. Like we mentioned earlier, the area is about 5 inches by 5. You don't need to cut any more than that. Start by putting your knife firmly. Cut. 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 And then cut. Now grab your scissors and make sure no things are attached, such as this one, so you won't be able to rip any more carpet. You can see the burn spot. And here's our padding. Nothing happened to our padding, so it should be perfectly fine to keep it. The way the thread runs, here you can tell that the shiny part is running across. That means it's running like that, just like this one's running like that. That's the shiny part. It has a shiny and a harder thread. Sometimes you could just grab the same piece that you took out, make sure that the thread is running the same way, flip your good carpet, put it on top, and you can cut it almost to the same length. Make sure you cut anything that just kind of hangs around. Threads are running the same way. This carpet is a lot older than this one. This one has been in the closet. This one is a heavy traffic area. Once you have the good piece, make sure it fits good in every spot. Right here, it's a little long still. You gotta grab your knife, just cut slightly off. Try to fit it again. Still needs a little more. Don't ever just try to cut a big chunk of carpet off, because you might be missing carpet. That's the perfect cut. Here you can see there's no outlines or nothing. The carpet is right there, perfectly aligned, no overlaps, just perfect. Your seam tape, make sure you cut it around 5 inches to 6 inches. Cut enough pieces as long as the cuts from the patch. This one is perfect. Covers every angle. Next step is to remove the carpet. Place your pieces inside. And make sure they're all evenly tight and down. Don't ever try to pass that red line. That should be the middle of it. Now you will need your hot glue gun and your seam roller for this part. Make sure you still have the same carpet facing the same way and place it neatly over. Go over it a few times with the seam roller just to make sure it's going to blend in good. Once there's no overlaps and it looks great, you can start the gluing process. You always want to start with one spot. I will choose to start on this spot. I will gently put glue along the edges, in and outside the carpet, and just let it sit there and seam roll it. I will do this clockwise on both sides from the patch, in and outside of the carpet. Make sure there's no edges overlapping. Put your seam roller over it. Make sure everything's flat and nice. And proceed to glue. Make sure there's no overlaps once again. Then seam roll it. If there's any carpet, just cut it simply off. Any carpet that's looks a little higher, just cut it. Make it look nice. And last but not least, the last spot. Always make sure you seam roller. Always make sure you use your seam roller all around the patch. If there's pieces like this of carpet, you might want to have to cut them off. And that's how you do a carpet patch. For a burnt spot, it's like it never happened. I hope our video was helpful. And please leave us a comment and ask us questions on anything you guys need. You guys can also message us to our email and stuff. Please check out our Facebook page and Instagram. And if anything, just give us a call as well, even if you guys are out of state. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you. On our Facebook page, you could also find our repair kit that comes with everything you need to do a carpet patch yourself.